Wild. We instinctively know what it is and where to find it. Brooding, black crag mountains with ancient faces staring deep within us, daring us to rise above ourselves. Windswept moorland purple against a slate-grey sky, where wild creatures dance to the rhythm of even wilder weather. Lochs, forests, rivers, seas, the places we go to be free. Oh, we know wild all right. It's where we come from, and it draws us back. We know wild. But wild isn't just a snow-topped summit or whitewater river. Wild is what you make it. Wild is city lights and unstoppable nights. The impulsive, the unknown, the adventurous, the game. Wild is music and love and food and friends and toasting unforgettable times. Wild is yours, so make of it what you will, right down to the food you eat. But don't just eat well, eat adventurously. Eat wild to protect wild places and to fuel life's adventures. Eat game to discover your wild side.